In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a playlist on YouTube Mobile. So once you've launched the app, you want to go ahead and tap on the library button at the bottom right. Then you will have a couple of options, but then you can see in blue it says plus and then new playlist. You want to go ahead and tap on that. And now this is relatively new with the YouTube app. So you have the option to add some videos that you've recently watched. But if you don't want to do that, you can just tap on next and then you can label your playlist. So I'm just going to call this favorite music. And then you can see the privacy options. If you tap on that little arrow next to that, you can make it public, unlisted, or private. I don't want anyone to see this playlist, so I'm just going to add my favorite songs. So I'm going to make it private. You click create and that playlist will be created. Now, if you want to go ahead and add a song to the playlist, you go to your home page and you can search for a song. So I'm just going to write Old Town Road as an example. Then you can see those three vertical dots next to the video itself in the search results. Tap on that, tap on save to playlist, and then you want to add it to the playlist that you just created. In my case, it's the second option under watch later, favorites playlist. Tap on that and then tap on done. And that song has been added to my playlist that I just created. So that is how you create a playlist and add songs to it on the YouTube app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.